vision towards this purpose, and it has taken quite some time, and justly so, because like Paul had said earlier, we had we were firm with our decision, and so well, what better than on the eve of Independence Day to name this lane, and its purpose will be told to you in a little while, because right now it'll be a great honor from our end rather, to call on stage our chief guest, Shri Comrade K. Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, sir. Please a few words from you, sir.
The guest of honor for today's program, our Honorable Tourism Minister and my dear friend, Paul Lingdo, our Additional Chief Secretary, Dr. Shakil Ahmed, our Commissioner and Secretary, Dr. Vijay Kumar, all the other officials of the departments, officials of the administration, all the residents and different shop owners, individuals who are engaged in daily work in this particular part of the city, and all the other friends who have come here to witness this truly memorable moment that we are all in today. At the very outset, I would really like to thank our officials from the municipal board and all those individuals who were involved in making this particular dream, I should say, come true. I especially would like to put on record a sincere appreciation to Dr. Vijay Kumar, who has led this entire process and worked on it from day one. Our director, Mr. who has been right at the front of ensuring that we are able to move forward in this process, and all the other officials, our DC, our ADMs, different officials of the municipal board, and our residents of this particular locality and area, and also the street vendors. This would not have been possible without all the cooperation we got from each and every one of you. So I think everybody here deserves a round of applause. I really would like to take this opportunity to congratulate and to thank everybody for making this happen. In the last 7 to 8 years that we've been here in the government, there were many things that people told us was difficult to do, whether it is the assembly building, which had taken 20 years to start. Today we are almost at the point of completing the new assembly. Whether it was the border issue, where people said it's impossible to move forward in that. But we decided and we moved forward, and I'm happy to inform you that the first border in Hahim area have been finalized already. The lines have been drawn and it has been resolved in a peaceful manner. And like that, many others will also be resolved. Our Vivanta, our Crowborough Hotel, was lying in this state for 35 years. And a lot of people did not believe or expect that it would happen. This entire process of ensuring that we could relocate our street vendors was something that was thought impossible. But as rightly mentioned by Paul Lingdo, that where there is a will, there is a way. And we were very determined that we will be firm in how we move forward, but we will always carry our people along. We are not a government who is here to bulldoze our decisions. We are not here to simply bypass the stakeholders. We believe in engaging, we believe in discussing, we believe in consulting, but we also believe in being firm on our points and ensuring that we are able to achieve our goal. I'm very happy today that this particular street, which we'll be calling the Linti Sur Batyang, this, as we know, is literally the meaning is the path of beautiful melodies, and as rightly mentioned by our MC, that we have always dreamt of making this street and hopefully many other streets, not just in Shillong, but in other parts of this beautiful state of ours, where we have music being played by our youngsters and creating opportunities for them and allowing our tourists and residents and citizens to then enjoy that particular music. And therefore, it will begin from here. When we started the MGMP program earlier, which is now called the CMMGMP program, this was a very, very important part of that package. We wanted our streets to be bustling with individuals and groups performing on the street in different locations, so that we're able to, as I said, create employment also, and at the same time give a wonderful experience to our tourists and to the citizens of our state. We will be, in fact, as you're all aware, that we will be making this particular zone for a certain time and a certain period during the day as a complete pedestrian zone. And I understand that the localities will have challenges, residents will have challenges, but there is always a compromise where we have to come to. It is not a simple task, but we will all have to cooperate, we will have to adjust, and we'll have to see how we are able to implement this in a very strict manner. But at the same time, I can understand that there could be emergency cases, emergency situations. I'm sure that the administration will definitely look into those aspects. But as a matter of principle, and as a matter of ensuring that that 5 hours is a pedestrian zone and a vehicle-free zone, is something that will go a long, long way in really creating the right environment in this area, which will ultimately benefit the people, the citizens, and the business and trade that takes place in this particular zone. So I really encourage and I request our residents here to please cooperate with the administration and work together, because this is being done for the benefit of the area, for the benefit of the citizens, and for the benefit of the tourists. We will be creating different infrastructures. Right now we have just done the temporary beautification, but I can assure you that we will be redoing the entire footpath. We'll be creating different kind of beautification lamps and benches and coffee shops and places where people can perform. This entire area will become an area where people would love to just spend their time, enjoy the music, and will hassle-free. They will be able to move around in this zone. I also want to share with you that the entire area behind us, as you know, this Assembly Secretariat, we are very hopeful that once the Assembly shifts to the new location, which I expect will be in the early part of next year, we will be expanding the roads, creating parking spaces, utilizing that space that's there behind us. So this entire space will be beautified. All the parkings that take place, including the taxis and the buses, will be given space to park the buses and the taxis in the long run. And that way we'll be able to ensure that this area gets more, the congestion goes down and gets more decongested, so that people can start enjoying this place even more. And all the street vendors, I would like to take a special moment to thank you for your cooperation. I know it's not easy for you. I know it was a big task and a big challenge, but then you have cooperated with us. Let me assure you that we are with you. We will try to work with you and try to see how we can help you as a government in your day-to-day challenges and difficulties you face in terms of your options. शुरू किया, जो आपको मालूम है पिछले 3 साल से हम लोग इसमें काम कर रहे हैं और पिछले 15-20 सालों से अलग अलग सरकारों ने इसको करने की कोशिश की, लेकिन वो उसमें सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाए। हमारे अफसर हमारे यहाँ तक पहुंच पाए, तो इसलिए मैं चाहता हूं और सक्सेसफुल हो पाए। आप सबने मदद की, इसके लिए आप सभी को धन्यवाद। लेकिन मैं आप सबसे ये भी रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा कि आगे आने वाला बहुत ही पेडेस्ट्रियन फ्रेंडली स्ट्रीट हो। यहाँ पे जो हम लोगों ने समय रखा है, जो पेडेस्ट्रियन जहाँ हम लोगों गाड़ी की एंट्री ये इस एरिया के लिए, पब्लिक के लिए, टूरिस्ट के भलाई के लिए हम लोगों ने किया है। मुझे मालूम है कि आपको भी इससे थोड़ी सी असुविधा हो सकती है, लेकिन मेरा आप सबसे विनती यही है कि आप हमारा साथ दें और पूरी कोशिश करें कि हम इसको ठीक से इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाए। छोटी छोटी जगहों में जहाँ जहाँ आपको कोई ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो हमारे लोग हैं और हमारे लोग आपकी मदद करेंगे। इमरजेंसी केसेस अलग केस होते हैं, लेकिन इन प्रिंसिपल हमारी कोशिश यही रहनी चाहिए कि हम इसे ये हमारा जो सोच है इसे हम पूरा कर पाए। At the end, I only would like to say one thing, that we as a government, we have been trying to do many difficult and challenging things. And there are many critics who will always come and say a lot of things. Even now, after we have been able to come to this point, there are so many people who are still finding faults in what is happening around us. It's quite sad, I must say that. And it's quite sad that even after so much work has been done, so many people have supported and worked so hard to make this happen. There are people who still find faults in every small thing. Let us for a moment forget the negativity. Let us for a moment be positive. Let us for a moment enjoy this freedom, I should say. And let us for a moment think about the positive and the good things that are happening in our state and try to be part of the solution rather than always being part of criticizing and being a problem to the larger issues that we face today. Once again, I thank all of you for coming here. We'll enjoy the evening. I hope all of you enjoy the evening. Tomorrow is the Independence Day of our great nation. I take this opportunity in advance to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Kublai Shibun, Matela, and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Sir Conrad. Thank you so much, sir, for your words. Thank you so much for the insight you've given us about what this street is going to become in the days to come. The project has been laid, the plan has been made, and like Sir said, of course, critics will be there. But then again, sir, people, it's that same fruiting tree that bears the fruits that keeps the children happy. So, well, congratulations to the government of Meghalaya, congratulations to the different departments, the various officers involved with this endeavor. Like the gentleman ahead had said, it was no easy task, but it has been fulfilled and the project will start from today. So with that, I would like to take a short break, because if we are going to name this Linti Surbatyam, which means it will have to echo with some lovely melodies. So those melodies will be up in a little while we get the bands ready. So please don't go anywhere. We have a full lead for you guys tonight.
They take a walk. Chata. Naveen, can you send somebody? Yes, I can see.
Go, go, go. Finish, over. Go now, Tukana. Thank you, thank you.